Welcome to the future of commercial real estate. Today, we're delving into the exciting realm of virtual reality, 360 degrees photography, and their impact on the sale and lease of businesses. Get ready to explore the innovative ways these technologies are transforming the way we approach commercial properties. Imagine walking through your potential business space without stepping a foot outside your office. That's the power of virtual reality and 360 degrees photography. Whether you're an entrepreneur looking for a storefront or an investor eyeing a strategic location, these technologies redefine the way we experience commercial real estate. Virtual tours are not just about showcasing businesses. They're about conveying the unique selling points that make each space stand out. With a simple click, you can navigate through every corner, giving you a comprehensive understanding of the layout and potential.